Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to our channel Our Happy World. And now you're with Dilu and Silu. If you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Today we are going to show you how to cook a variety fish roll. We need a batter. To this batter, we added enough water, salt, maida and egg. 4 green chilies, 4 garlic and a small piece of ginger. 2 onions and 1 tomato. First, take a utensil and add enough oil to it. Add tomato, onion, garlic, ginger and green chilies to it. Stir it well until the onion gets light brownish color. Now add enough salt. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Stir it well. Now you have to take fish. We are taking here light tuna fish. Now add fish to it. And stir it well. Add curry leaves to it and mix it well. Now our fish masala is ready. Now our next step is to make the batter to a layer. Here we changed a whole batter to a layer. Now we have to take breadcrumbs and 2 eggs. Now take a layer and roll it as shown. Do the same to all the layers. Now take a roll and dip it in the egg and breadcrumbs. Now let's fry it. Our variety fish roll is ready.
Stay home, stay safe. Let's stand together and break the chain. Thanks for watching our video. Bye. See you in our next video.